Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer investment basis info into Betterment tax reporting, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your Betterment account. Navigate to the tax section in the main menu.
Locate the tax reporting option within the tax section.
Click on Download tax reports to access your investment data. Choose the relevant tax year for which you need the basis information. Download the provided reports in a preferred format, typically CSV or PDF. Open the downloaded report on your device. Identify the section that contains your investment basis information. Take note of the specific columns that list each investment, purchase date, and basis amount.
If necessary, create a spreadsheet to organize this data for easier reference.
Manually input the investment basis information into your spreadsheet. Ensure that you accurately match each investment with its corresponding basis amount. Double-check for any discrepancies or missing information. Once complete, save your spreadsheet for future reference.
If needed, consult the Betterment Help Center for any clarifications.
You may also compare your entries with previous year's reports for consistency.
Prepare to use this information for your tax filing or to send to your accountant. With this process, you'll have effectively transferred your investment basis details into Betterment tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.